Silence is a sound. The poem is written by Jessica Kill Moore. We are not here to make you feel comfortable. We need you to feel humanity.
We are the butterfly and the black elk, the blood of our stories on every corner. We are the continuum, a tradition, a passed down cry, the future heartbeat of our children's children.
We continue with ancestors' wind. We exist on possibility, the passions of a people never taught divinity.
We are the tribal smoke from necessary fires. Ojibwe, Odawa, Bodéwadmi.
We are the eagle's early morning commute. We are a body of work called humans. We are a collective of Black excellence wrapped around our grandmother's dreams.
We are a living metaphor for the art of survival, the colors of resistance, and the proof of existence. We are every little brown girl who dreamt of a life without food, and a Black boy who grows into manhood without pain.
We are Black joy personified.
We are not here for your entertainment. We are not here to make you comfortable. Still, here we stand, millions of anticipated lights showing us the way.
Our bodies revolted against oppression daily. We, bones of bees, push out the hopes of our parents, balancing the wind.
We are the roots of sugar maples and pines. Our history is not easy to climb. See us in glassy reflections of Great Lakes. We fought for freedom. It was never easy, a prize.
We imagined peace. We had names. This is our city block. This is our home too. Her light can never dim. Our collective light takes over the night sky. This is a poem for protection. This is a poem that reminds us all, as sure as the world is round, silence is a sound.